Hey Shelby Bells, it's Shelby. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for another video. You guys, breaking news on the Johhny Depp and Amber Heard trial. We have a verdict. If you want to hear more about that drama, make sure that you keep on watching. Okay, you guys, without further ado, I'm going to roll you the clip from the jury, so roll it.
All right, Mr. Foreperson, is this the verdict of the jury?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, is it unanimous?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Jamie?
In civil case number CL 2019-2911, Mr. Depp's claim against Ms. Heard. 1. As to the statement appearing in the online op-ed entitled, "Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change," in the Washington Post online edition. Quote, "I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change," end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes. 2. As to the statement appearing in the op-ed entitled, "A Transformative Moment for Women," in the Washington Post print edition, and the online op-ed, "Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change," in the Washington Post online edition. Quote, "Then 2 years ago, I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out," end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes. 3. As to the statement appearing in the op-ed entitled, "A Transformative Moment for Women," in the Washington Post print edition, and the online op-ed, "Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change," in the Washington Post online edition. Quote, "I had the rare vantage point of seeing in real time how institutions protect men accused of abuse," end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of this statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes. As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $10 million. As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $5 million. In civil case number CL 2019-2911, Ms. Heard's claim against Mr. Depp. 1. As to this statement, appearing in the April 8, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, Amber Heard and her friends in the media use fake sexual violence allegations as both a sword and shield, depending on their needs. They have selected some of her sexual violence hoax facts as the sword, inflicting them on the public and Mr. Depp. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no. 2. As to this statement, appearing in the April 27, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, quite simply, this was an ambush, a hoax. They set Mr. Depp up by calling the cops, but the first attempt did not do the trick. The officers came to the penthouses, thoroughly searched and interviewed, and left after seeing no damage to face or property. So Amber and her friends spilled a little wine and roughed the place up, got their story straight under the direction of a lawyer and publicist, and then placed a second call to 911, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Ms. Heard proven by a greater weight of the evidence that question, Mr. Waldman, while acting as an agent for Mr. Depp, made or published the statement? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was seen by someone other than Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven by clear and convincing evidence that the statement by Mr. Waldman was made with actual malice? Answer, yes. 3. As to this statement, appearing in the April 27, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, we've reached the beginning of the end of Ms. Heard's abuse hoax against Johhny Depp, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no. As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $2 million. As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $0.
All right. Does either side wish to have the jury polled?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Jamie?
Members of the jury, if this is your verdict, please answer yes. If this is not your verdict, please answer no. Juror number 6.
Yes.
Juror number 10.
Yes.
Juror number 15.
Yes.
Juror number 16.
Yes.
Juror number 22.
Yes.
Juror number 27.
Yes.
Juror number 29.
Yes.
All right, I do find that the jury's verdict is unanimous. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes your service in this case. I want to thank you again for your dedication and your hard work during this trial. And I know I speak for everybody here when I tell you that we appreciate your sacrifices and your time and your public service in this matter, okay? So I'm going to have you go back to the jury deliberation room for one more time, and then we'll release you from there, okay? All right, thank you.
You guys, oh my God. Johhny Depp was found innocent, or Amber Heard was found guilty on all 3 counts of defamation in this case. That is huge news. The world has been very divided on this. I think that a lot of people were on Johhny Depp's side on social media, but don't get it twisted. There were a lot of people on Amber Heard's side too. And I think that this is very, very, very interesting that Amber Heard did win this trial, because even while I felt like Amber Heard was the primary abuser in this situation, I wasn't quite sure if Johhny Depp was going to win this case because of proving that and proving defamation. I just wasn't sure what the jury was going to do. I was very they could go either way on this, right? Because there were things that Johhny did that were really not okay as well that was brought to light, as well as the things that Amber Heard did that was brought to light that wasn't okay. And you know, I think that the jury has spoken. Grab your mega pines if you are on Team Johhny Depp, because the jury has spoken and it's time to celebrate if you were in favor of Johhny Depp in this case. And congratulations to Johhny. One thing I thought was very interesting and a little weird was that Johhny Depp was not at the courthouse today in Virginia to hear the verdict. He had a prior commitment in the UK where he was performing some music or something in the UK, but the people that were I was watching the Law and Crime Network on YouTube, and they said that he was watching the verdict from the UK, but he just couldn't be at the courthouse in that time. Now, I personally don't think it's a great look that he wasn't at the courthouse. I think it's a little disrespectful to everybody involved that went through the 6 weeks of torture to listen to this case every day, to the jury, to the judge, to everybody involved working the case on Amber Heard's side and Johhny Depp's side. I feel like it's a little disrespectful to not show up for the verdict. That's just my opinion on it. I think he should have. This is a very, very important thing that's going on in his life right now. I think he should have said, hey, and postponed his prior commitments out there or whatever. I know that performing music, I know you have obligations as a public figure to make your appearances, to perform, and you're going to perform and all these things, but you also have a very, very public legal case going on that people all around the world are watching. And when I say all around the world, I really do mean all around the world. I've been watching Emily D. Baker's coverage of this, Fox News coverage of this. I've been watching, just because it came up on YouTube, I'm not a big Fox News person. The law, whatever, I forget the name already. Law and Crime Network, I think is what it's called, that I was watching today. And people from all over the world are sending super chats to these people that are reporting on this stuff, and that's how I know that people all over the world are watching this case and following it. I mean, when you think about it, Johhny Depp is one of the biggest entertainers in the entire world, you know? Now, as far as the damages and the award, the money awarded and all of that, from what I understand, now I am not a law expert, so correct me in the comment section down below if I'm not correct on this, but I believe that Johhny Depp was awarded $15 million and Amber Heard was awarded $2 million. So based on everything and how everything played out. But the cap for punitive damages in the state of Virginia is $350,000. So I believe that, this is what I think, and I'm not sure, I think that Johhny Depp is going to win 2.65, sorry, not 2.5, I'm so bad at math, $12.65 million, and Amber Heard will win $2 million. If you consider the cap that is the $350,000, or maybe, what is it? I'm so confused. Maybe it's 12 point. Okay, I'm confused. Miss Kitty, stop shaking that. I think that it's, okay, so if 15 million minus 3.5, 12.5, I don't know, whatever, do the math, you guys. take $350,000 away from $12 million. Miss, I know you're, Miss, what do you think? Miss Kitty says, congratulations to Johhny Depp, right? I know it, Miss. Miss is just relieved the trial is over because we are tired of watching the trial every day. She told me last week I have to put the trial down because I had to change the channel because I was just glued to it. And watching the trial, it was very, very upset. I know, Miss. It's over now, Miss. Mama's gonna be okay. I know. It was kind of triggering for me. If you guys remember, if you're a subscriber to this channel, when it first started airing, I actually didn't want to watch it. And I decided to because first of all, I know that with my story, I can possibly help others out there. And if I can share my story and tie that into what's going on in this case, it could help people. And also because you guys wanted to know, you kept asking me. So I did it, and it actually, for the most part, it was okay, but there were some times during this trial where it really did eat away at me, and it was pretty triggering. So I had to put it away towards like last week and just say, hey, come back when there's a verdict because you like really, honestly, this is not healthy. But I'm so relieved it's over. Miss Kitty's so relieved this is over. Miss Kitty is so happy for Johhny Depp, and here's the thing. I mean, I think that this is just proven, and I know it, Miss, your fans, they say hello. And Johhny Depp, if he's watching this, Miss Kitty, he knows that you're saying congratulations, that you love him, okay? I know it, Miss. Okay. So the thing is, I think that this is such an important move for men in abusive relationships. It doesn't always have to be the woman that is abused. Women have power in relationships as well. You're like, when you love someone, you hold a power over them. I just think this is a really, really good thing for men who are in abusive relationships. I think that's not talked about a lot, and I think that this is going to give other men that are in those situations the courage to come forward and speak about their story. There's a huge stigma on men in relationships like this, and men are often seen like they're not able to come forward about something because just be a man, handle it. But that kind of a thing, it's not like, it happens to everyone, male and female, and all genders. It doesn't just happen to women. And I think that, my honest opinion about this the entire time is there have been some people that have been saying like, I believe Amber Heard, like, believe all victims, all this stuff. Yes, believe all victims, but like, you have to make sure that, like, some people just don't tell the truth, flat out. Some people just lie. Some people just say things to ruin other people because they have their own, like, whatever's going on in their heads. Amber Heard allegedly has BPD, you know, there's just so many reasons why they're narcissistic. They want to ruin somebody because they were heartbroken, whatever. There is a reason that people, male and female, will go out there and they'll try to ruin somebody else. And I think that's what we saw here in this case with Amber Heard and Johhny Depp. Now, I'm not saying that I think that Johhny Depp is a saint. I really don't. After seeing this footage, I've said it in videos and other videos, after seeing that video of him slamming all the kitchen cabinets and all that stuff, I'm sorry. If you suffer from alcoholism or you suffer from this or that, whatever, that is unfortunate or whatever. I still would never want to be in the same room as Johhny Depp after seeing how he could behave like that. It's just the truth all day long. Respect his work as an actor and all of that, but I personally would never want to put myself in that situation. I'm just saying. So I don't think that Johhny is a saint in all of this. I really don't. But I do think that when you're talking about defamation, and if he suffered losses because of what Amber Heard was saying, I think that that is true, and I think that, you know, the jury did find him innocent on all three counts of that and find Amber Heard guilty on all three counts of that. So I do think that. I do also think that Amber Heard was the primary aggressor in this situation, which is something I've been saying the entire time. And at the end of the day, that wasn't really what the jury was deciding on that. The jury was there to prove defamation, and if, you know, Amber Heard could be held liable for defamation in that case. So I don't know. That's what the jury had to say, you guys. It's a huge, huge win for Johhny Depp. Now, we are supposed to be waiting for Johnny's lawyers to come out. Johnny's going to make a statement about this. If Amber Heard makes a statement about this and Amber's lawyers, I am going to keep you updated on all of the statements that come with this case and the further developments in it. But it is coming to a close, and I want to know y'all's thoughts in the comment section down below on what you think on this. Are you happy for Johhny? Were you team Amber Heard? What do you think about the, let me know again on the math and if I'm right on what's being awarded and stuff, because I'm bad at math and I don't really understand legal stuff. So let me know. But what do you think? What do you think this is going to mean for victims of DV and all of that in the future? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you. And that's going to be it for today's video, you guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below. Don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified of all my future videos when they do post. Remember, all Shelby bells ring the bell. And yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, YouTube should be suggesting a couple more down here for you to choose from, so I'd love it if you did that. And aside from that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.